Let's get it up. When alcohol is far, work just come easy. Partying to love and pain to get the problem solved. Hard on these sweet words come out with slurred passion. Holding back nothing, I'm thinking your reaction. That's when people start judging, take the drunk, walk away, and hit the quiet, stick up. I know what they say. I've been shouting love to talk to some. I had to look up to the record that was in the flow with love, so they was drunk. Can you hear? Yeah, can you hear? Can you hear? Or can you hear? Can you hear? It never fails, always one relationship. Say I wanna be with you, I say when you're in a drug you're with. When you're drunk, you just say nothing about it. You get each other, leave you speaking. Saying all about you all along. I've been feeling in the work you could have planned it. And you would call my attention if they didn't. I couldn't stop and get the opportunity to be with who did anything to have me. Luckily, listening to drunk words and so was feeling. Yeah, can you hear? Come on, can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? Are you listening? Then there's others who drink the high pain, covered up instead of speaking. You're not good enough, just give up on believing, feeling no one cares about it. Lonely loneliness within them, not comprehending, just searching for an ending, a way out. Silence in the voices, the only way they know how. Thinking that the only choices. How will ring this my friend sleeping, saying I can hear what's got a mercy on my soul. Tell a family I love them, I have to go. I have to go. Are you listening? Are you listening? Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? Are you? Take it away. Take it away now. Yeah. Are you listening? Are you listening? Yeah. Drunk words, drunk words, drunk words, drunk words, drunk words are so bizarre.
Thank you guys for letting us go up here and sing and rehearse this.
Never fails, always one in a relationship. Saying I wanna be with you, I say when you're leaving the girl you're with. But when sober, you say nothing about it. When drinking, suddenly you're speaking. Saying thoughts about you all along. I've been feeling.
This town wasted, I had no choice.